Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Danny. Today I'm going to be talking about the November Detox Market Detox box. I absolutely love the Detox Market subscription boxes. They're so good. Definitely one of my favorite clean beauty subscription boxes that I have seen. I just think that they're always such a great value, and it's just such a great way to try out new products, and it just makes it more affordable. So if you are not aware of the Detox Market Detox box, they're normally featuring one brand. You might get makeup, you might get skincare. You always get at least $90 of green beauty. It ships the first week of the month or when you order. If you get 6 months at a time, it's $39.95 a month. If you get 3 months at a time, it's $44.95 a month. And if you get it 1 month at a time, it's $55 a month. So the more that you get at a time, the more affordable it is, or the cheaper it is. So this month's box was actually really kindly gifted to me by the Detox Market. Now, I have personally subscribed to the Detox Market myself in the past. When I would subscribe to it, I would get 6 months at a time because that's the most affordable way to get it, especially if you are wanting to get it for a longer period of time. And I really enjoy getting their boxes, so that's why I did 6 months at a time. But full disclaimer, the reason I personally stopped subscribing was because I lost my job in March, so I just kind of had to cut off some expenses, but I absolutely love their boxes, so I'm super grateful that they sent me this one. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get right into what is in this month's box. So the brand that is featured in this month's box is Kora Organics. First, you get a little paper talking about the brand and the founder, and then you also, of course, get another piece of paper that talks about the products. Look how gorgeous she is. Her name is Miranda Kerr. I hope I pronounced that right, but she is so beautiful. So it just tells a little bit about the brand. So this brand is a range of certified organic, cruelty-free skincare products made with powerful active botanicals. Each expertly crafted blend delivers a mega dose of nutrients that feature glow big time. So again, this is Kora Organics. So in this month's box, it features 2 products this month. And of course, they're both skincare products. So you get the Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask, which is a 2-in-1 product. And then you also get the Nani Glow Face Oil. So let's start off and talk about the Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. So this retails for $48. It says a do-it-all exfoliating mask that gently polishes, purifies, and balances. A refining blend of turmeric, rosehip, and papaya enzymes sweeps away dullness, unveiling the look of bright, even, reinvigorated skin. It says to gently massage into damp skin and leave on for 5 to 15 minutes to let the enzymes work their magic. Remove with water in circular motions or with a damp cloth for extra exfoliation. Use 2 to 3 times weekly for luminous results. And then for the Nani Glow Face Oil, this retails for $68. It says just glow with it, starring antioxidant powerhouse Nani extract, treasured for its skin rejuvenating properties, along with a nourishing blend of rosehip, sea buckthorn, and pomegranate. This lightweight face oil resurrects your radiance fast. Warm a few drops between your palms and gently pat over the face, neck, and décolleté after cleansing and before moisturizing. Use daily to restore skin's optimal beauty. So these both sound really lovely. I am definitely excited to test these out. Now, I'm actually not going to test these out right away just because I've been super careful with what I've been putting on my skin right now. You guys might know that I'm doing a whole acne series on my YouTube channel. So I'm being very minimal about what I'm putting on my skin right now, but I definitely will try these out eventually. These both sound like brightening products, so I feel like this will definitely be good once I'm just dealing with like hyperpigmentation, because I do have quite a bit of hyperpigmentation left over from acne. So once I'm really wanting to kind of treat that hyperpigmentation and get rid of that hyperpigmentation, I think that these are definitely some product that I think will be good to test out, because these do seem like they're good for like brightening the skin. Now, I'd be interested if any of you guys have tried anything from Kora Organics. If you guys do have any questions about these products, let me know. I know that was a super quick video. I don't really have a whole lot to say about it just because I haven't personally tested them out yet, but I did want to do a little unboxing here so you guys could kind of get a look at the products if you guys are interested in trying out the November Detox box. So hopefully this video still helped you out, give you a little bit of an idea of this month's box. Again, if you guys do have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.